Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to redeem your Roblox gift card. So let's get started. First, open the Roblox app and here tap the three dots and it opens the More menu. Just scroll down and then tap the gift cards. And here you'll be redirected to a browser page inside the app. Tap Redeem Card and log into your Roblox account. Then scratch off the pin on the back of your gift card and enter the pin code in the box provided and tap redeem. And what happens next? If it's a Robux gift card, Robux will be added to your account. If it's credit gift card, the credit will be added and you can then tap use credit or choose buy Robux or upgrade to premium. And that's how to redeem a Roblox gift card in Roblox app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.